everybody, I'm LEGO Separator and welcome back to another LEGO video. Today, we are going to be doing something a little bit different. There's other things that I've got to do. So I'm going to be building a little model from a building event sometime in 2019. I can't really remember it. But anyway, I'm going to be showing you how to build it, and I will be introducing the pieces as I go along. So feel free to pause it at any time of the video to see what's going on. And there are no instructions for this. So, good luck for me. So without further ado, let's get started. So this build is a car. So starting off, we're going to be using this pre-modeled car base plate over here, nice and simple, done in black. And on the two elevated platforms over here, we're going to attach 2x2 base plates done in dark grey. Now, some of these red mudguard car styling pieces, one at the front over here and another at the back like this. Now in the middle section over here, we're going to be attaching some bricks, some 2x3 bricks, but these have some stickers on them. It's got a little Lego heart over there with some red and grey. Over there, some paper-based stickers. We have another one which is inverted, and this is going to be going on the sides just like so. Kind of fills in the car over here. Now this is going to be a model car, not a sort of like fit a minifigure inside car, but a model car. Very nice model car at that. Another 2x2 base plate is going to go underneath the front over here, and on top of that we're going to attach the front. So first of all, we need this 1x4 side attachment brick. Just going to stick some few details on first, so a grill piece and some of these little white studs as headlights. I'm going to stick that at the front, so it's got a sort of elongated front over here. Now what else do we need? We need a few more things. So another 2x2 base plate in dark grey here and here, sort of attaching these base plates with the bricks. To fill in a little bit, we're going to be using 1x3 base plates in red, and this white tile, this 1x2 white tile, goes over here like that. Now we're going to make the rear of the car, which consists of a side attachment plate done in red, quite large, a 2x2 base plate on top of that, again in dark grey, and some red little stud pieces, tiles, something like that, for brake lights. We also get a light grey slope at the back over here to be a bumper, and a little white tile to be, I don't know, maybe a little ID number or something like that. So that we've got the basic consistency of the car. Now, what else will we be needing? We'll be needing these slope pieces done in red. That's just going to be a nice quick little bonnet on the front of the car. Another stickered piece, a tile with some red and grey details onto that. We can stick that here. And these 2x4 red base plates in the middle like here. We'll also be needing these special 2x2 wedge pieces with its symmetrical companion done in red, and we're going to stick them in this formation at the back so it has a little pointy end to the rear of the car. Now, a few more things. We're going to be attaching this 1x2 base plate in trans white, one on either side over here, and what we'll need is we'll need 8 of these small little cheese slope pieces done in trans white as well. We're going to use 4 for the front windscreen, just like this, and another 4 at the back over here. Just going to repeat these pieces over and over again. One more stickered piece, and that's this over here, which with a large Lego heart in the middle to, you know, love cars. Stick that over here, which does sort of match up with the little bonnet design that we have here as well. And all we have left to do now is the wheels. So we're going to have these 7mm light grey wheels, and we're going to stick some rugged tires onto them. So collect the other 3. I'm just going to quickly insert the wheels into the tires and snap them onto the attachments. There we go. Well, I did it without instructions as well. So, there we have it. So there we go. A little car build is complete. A model car. Get some good angles for that. Don't really need to talk about it too much. It's simply a model car which you can replicate. Nice. It's red. It has headlights. It has rear lights. It has little cockpit, little seating area in there as well. And that's just about it. So, without further ado, let's get started. Oh, wait, no, that's not what I do. So that's the end of our video. So I hope to share more in the future. I hope this inspired you, and until next time, happy building.